What's good, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy D Gilk, and I'm coming at you guys with an unboxing today. This unboxing is on the Nike Air Yeezy 2 Solars. And I actually had a pair of these, but I sold them because I bought these. My pair is missing a lot of stuff, and this pair is OG all. I want to shout out Max. Thank you. I appreciate it. You got quick shipping, and he knew I wanted the OG all pair. But without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. All right, so we're about to open up. I want to be super careful to make sure I didn't destroy the box. This is actually the only box I have from my Air Yeezy 2s. My Solars had no box, no insoles, and no size tags. My Red Octobers have everything but size tags in the box. And then obviously these have everything. I actually just sold my plats as well. And my plats that I just got are way cleaner, but they still have no box, but they have everything else. My original plats were missing, I believe, tips and the box, no bag, and they had a little hole in them. I actually got those from a YouTuber, and he sold me both my Solars and plats, and I sold both of those to a dude named Tony in the groups, which I appreciate you. He helped me get these, but enough about that. Let's get into the unboxing. All right, let's get this out of the way. All right, now that we got the box out of the way, sorry my camera died. Now we're gonna open the box. You guys can be able to see it before me. And here they are. These are pretty dusty, I'm not gonna lie to you. They're in pretty good condition though. I kind of plan on getting these restored anyways, but my pair was missing so much stuff that I would like to get the box, and I think these are overall better condition. I think they do need a little bit of work, but not much. They're just super dusty, so I'll probably try to clean it off a little bit. They still have actually the size 13 on the insole, which is kind of cool. So these haven't been worn that much. The bottoms aren't terrible. You guys can see that. Look at the second shoe now. Those right there. Here you go. This one has a little shoe tree in there. And overall, I'm pretty excited. These are definitely dope to add to the collection. I know I already had them, but it's nice to get the box and then kind of get most of your OG stuff. They are missing 2 tips, I believe. I don't know which 2, but I'm gonna figure that out right now. You have your bag. This box is kind of falling apart. You have your bag. Let's see what else you got. Those right there. Looks like you have a GOAT certificate, which is cool. All my stuff's 100% authentic, so it's cool to add in there. You got a little bubble wrap. I don't know, maybe that for this wasn't in there, but it's cool. You got this paper, looks like. See nothing else in here. I'm guessing tips are in here. Which looks like they are. Hard to grab. All right, got 2 gold and like a gunmetal. Also, you got a size tag, which I didn't realize. I guess one of these. Is it that one? No, it's this one. I guess this one's missing the size tag, but we got one. I wonder if they can put it back on. So I'm actually sure they can. It's actually super dope because my pair had kind of stains in the inside, and I was missing both of these, and also insoles. So I was definitely excited to get these. Put that to the side. Let's see if we can get these tips. Wow, what an odd odd number, I guess. You get 3 gold and 3 gunmetal. Kind of sucks. Definitely have to get replacement. Well, actually, I have extra tips, so I'll be able to do the gold, but these have no tips. Here's what it is. The box is damn near the most important thing. It's like I can never find them with a box. None of my pairs have a box. All of them are just bags now. Just now. Got everything out the box. Just move this out the way. I'm gonna look more at this. This condition is actually pretty good. They just need to be clean. Looks like there's a little mark here, the suede. But nothing I'm really worried about. I really do plan on getting these cleaned and restored, so they'll kind of take care of most of that. And it's an old shoe, so it's kind of expected. I'll get you guys close-up footage so you guys can see it. I'm gonna clean it myself though, and see kind of how far that goes. Yeah, this is pretty good. I've seen some of these that are pretty bad. Got a little mark as well. I'm definitely glad that I grabbed these now. I think with that Ye documentary coming out, these are gonna skyrocket in price. So I'm glad that I have all 3 of my pairs secured, and I was able to get boxes and pieces that I were missing and cleaner pairs. These are probably not too much cleaner than mine. Mine were actually restored. So these might be a little worse, but once they get restored, they're gonna be in better condition. They need a little love. They're pretty dry. But once all this gets cleaned up, they're gonna look good. I appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you guys check out my other videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel out so much. I'm gonna be doing a lot of reviews on Nike Tech and Nike Lab. I'm not gonna be doing shoes as much unless I get stuff like this, where I'll just throw a couple videos out. But my main focus is gonna be on Nike Lab and Nike Tech. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you again for watching. I'm out.
Lab going,